Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing what you actually need for college, because I feel like I know a lot because this is my third year of college. I've been through all the bad days when I don't have what I need, so I would like to share my knowledge with all of you, and especially if you're going to be a freshman in college or you're going to a new college. I would just like to share what has worked for me. I understand everyone has different situations and different circumstances than me, so I'm not telling you that you need any of these, but this is what's worked for me so far. So let's just get into it. Oh, like and subscribe, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell so you know when I upload the next time. But yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so I have 10 things, and I'm just gonna go through the list, and then let me scoot over a bit so I could put pictures of what I mean, and kind of just like examples that have worked for me. So the first thing that I put, and I think it's really the most important out of everything because you take it with you everywhere and it holds everything you need, so that would be a good backpack. And so I would recommend a North Face. Of course you don't have to get that, but I've had my North Face all through college and it's never torn, it's never ripped, it's never done anything. When it rains outside, like, it protects all of my stuff on the inside, like my laptop and stuff. So I would really recommend those. Here are some examples of that. And then so number 2 on my list is a good pair of tennis shoes. Because, okay, so before I came to college, I just thought, like, I had this assumption in my head that like everything was real close, like it was in high school. I was just gonna have to walk a little bit, and the first day of college I was bamboozled because it was not like that. I had to walk probably like a mile to class. It was so far, my feet were hurting so bad because I wore Birkenstocks. Don't wear Birkenstocks to class unless your class is really close, because you won't make it there, your feet will hurt so bad. So I love Adidas tennis shoes. I have my Ultra Boost and I've had them for so long and they've always held up really nicely. I know they're a little bit more on the pricey side, and of course you don't need those, but that is just what works for me. I actually have them right here. So yeah, they're kind of dirty, but they do work. They do work. Okay, so for number 3 I have headphones. So I know this year it's probably going to be a little bit different because of like situations. Not a lot of things are going to be on campus, but just in case, hopefully, we're hoping, you'll always need headphones in the library, especially if you want to get good study time in. That's the only way you'll be able to do it, because there's so much commotion going on, and just studying in general, I think headphones kind of help you focus on in. So whether it's a good pair of like AirPods or Bluetooth or any other like Bluetooth compatible earphones, or like Beats or anything, or when you're walking to class and you just want to be in the zone, headphones are the perfect thing for you. Okay, so for my 4th thing, I have I feel like this is a given. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. It's like pointing at me. Okay, so it would be a laptop or an iPad, and I know a lot of people don't necessarily have the means for this, which is okay, but I mean, it's perfectly fine. But having a good laptop or like even an iPad or something helps so good, because I know a lot of times, especially this year, we won't be able to be on campus to use those computers and stuff, and having something that will get you through your tests and stuff is key, because I've taken tests on laptops that have not been good, and then I can't finish the test because like laptop craps out or something. So I have a Mac and I have an iPad. I love the iPad because I can take notes on it, and if you wanted me to go deeper into like how I note take and stuff, let me know, because I feel like I've gotten that down. I use GoodNotes and it's worked for me so good so far. So yeah. And then the 5th thing I have is a planner. So I was never much of a planner girl in high school. I didn't do anything in high school, to be honest. I just did what I need to do. I didn't have to plan too much for it. High school was a breeze. But I soon realized when I got to college, it was way different. It was very overwhelming. So there's so many planners. I have one here. Let me go get it really quick so I can show you what it looks like. Okay, so I just got this one from Target. It is by the company Blue Sky. And I really like this one simply because it is just like the months with the squares. Ooh. Can you see it? Like, it's just the boxes. So it's just one for every month. It's not overwhelming at all. The boxes are big enough to fit everything you need to fit in it, and it's so thin so it'll fit in the back of your backpack super well and it won't get overwhelming. But if you want to be more organized, unlike me, there's a bunch of good brands like Erin Condren, the Happy Planner. I know they have like really detailed planners for people that like that. So the next thing I want to recommend is a good water bottle, especially during the summer, walking in class, especially in Texas. Like, if you don't have a good water bottle or something to keep your water cool, because if you don't get like a really good insulated bottle, your water is going to be hot so fast in 5 minutes. So I have a Hydro Flask. I'm going to insert a picture of different ones. I know they have some really affordable ones at Target right now that y'all can check out. I'll try to link some down below for people who are interested in that. But a good insulated water bottle so that you can always have cold water on hand is key. Okay, so this one I feel like is very like for me. Like, a lot of people might be like, well, that's not the same for me, so I understand. But so my first year when I was packing for college, I packed so much like nice, like dressy up clothes, and I'm quite boring. You could call me a loser, you could call me lame. I would totally agree with you. I don't really go out too much. I'm much more of a homebody. I'd rather just stay at home and watch Netflix or something. But I noticed that I really rarely used my dress up clothes, maybe for a couple of occasions, so it was just kind of sitting in my closet and I didn't use much of it. I use more now just because of filming and stuff and pictures, but if you don't go out much, I would definitely bring way more like athleisure loungewear, because you will want to wear that to class over like a nice shirt and jeans any day. I mean, if you don't, like, go you. I give you props. You are way less lazy than I am. But usually I just want a pair of shorts and a t-shirt to walk to class, so if I get hot, it's like I'm not too hot and I'm comfortable. So yeah. Okay, so definitely I would recommend this if you're living on campus. I would recommend getting like a good lanyard with a wallet or something, because you're always having to use your ID card to get in and out of places, to go to the dining hall and stuff like that. So you're gonna need a good lanyard, because you don't want to have to be reaching in your backpack every time you need to get your ID out or you need to get cash out or anything like that. Like, it's just way easier just to have that on hand, have it around your neck or whatever you do with that, because it is really too much to be getting out of your backpack every single time. So yeah, a good lanyard. I don't have a lanyard anymore just because I live off campus, and like to get into my apartment you get in by your phone, which is super nice. So I don't use it as much now, but my freshman year when I lived on campus, I used my lanyard religiously. Okay, so my ninth one is really dependent on where you live. So I live in College Station, Texas. I go to Texas A&M, and it is constantly raining here, and it comes out of the blue. Like, I've gone to class when it's so bright and sunny outside, the most beautiful day, and I've walked out and it's literally raining, like hurricaning outside. So I started carrying an umbrella in my backpack because I was tired of being surprised and tired of being soaking wet when I walk out of class. So if it's already raining, like here a lot of the times it will rain all day, and so you have to walk to class all day, I would definitely get a raincoat or like a rain jacket and some rain boots. Like, you can get any kind you want. I have Hunter boots, and then I have just like an A&M raincoat, and it saved my life so many times because usually here it rains sideways. Tell me how it rains sideways. No one knows. No one knows. But you definitely need that stuff. Okay, so for the last thing, this is a very new bullet on my list. It would be to get a good mask, because we're gonna have to wear a mask everywhere, and I think like investing in a couple of good ones is way better than wearing like those like ones that you constantly have to throw away. First of all, it's better for the environment, and second of all, you definitely save more money in the long run. So I'm gonna just tell y'all a couple of like brands that have really good cloth masks that are reusable. You just throw them in the washer and you can wear them as infinite times as you want. So I have a couple. Oh shoot, hoodies. They're in my car, but I can list them. So I have some from Kish. I will like list the brands right here. So I have some from there. I have some from Z Supply, and at Kish they're 3 for $12. At Z Supply they're 2 for $12. I know Old Navy is very affordable. They have a bunch of them there. Target, they have so many like shelves and shelves of masks. You can get some really affordable ones. I'm pretty sure they have them like everywhere, but my favorite ones are like from Kish. They're so cute. So yeah, I think that having a mask is going to be, probably should be number 1 on the list. Alright, oop, my camera's kind of crooked. Alright, ladies and gents, so that is it for the video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. I say this every time, but I really do enjoy making videos. And here, oh my goodness, so when I was uploading videos at home, it would be like an all-day process, because it would take like 5 hours for me to upload a video, and if it was like over 10 minutes, forget it, it would take all day. Here I uploaded a video, oh, you should check it out. I'm gonna put it in the info box. It is a like apartment/dorm tour. You should definitely check it out. I take pride in all my decorations, but it took me 5 minutes. 5 minutes to upload a video here, so I will definitely be on my video game because it's way easier. So yeah, if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. If you have any video suggestions, let me know. Like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.